Okay, so I'm gonna do a video on like car simulations. I'm just trying to see my YouTube overlay chat as well. See if it's working. Tried to get the chat to pop up here somewhere. I'm gonna need to test it and see if it's working as well. Let's see if I can test it and it'll pop up on this video. But I basically am gonna do some. Whoops. I need to do some simulation modeling. So I have this done, but I'll go over it. Still testing out a lot of the features on YouTube as well. Why is the chat not loading? Let's see if this works. Test. Will it come up? Looks like it's not coming up. Why? Why? Maybe I should fix that first. Figure out why the chat isn't, or maybe I'll do that at the end. Streamelements.com. That should give me some insight on why the chat. Oh, it did show up. Look at that. I see it. I can see it right there. I need to make the size of this chat bigger. How do I make it bigger and on the side? I think I can edit that later. Oh, let's remove this. Why doesn't it let me move the chat? What is this? Live chat. Let's make this bigger. Maybe make it black overlay chat. I do see that it's working. But why is it not? Maybe I should fix the properties. Maybe I should make it non-transparent. I did see it come up. It is working. I can see a comment there. It says tap. I wonder if I can change the colors of it. Blending mode, normal, scale filtering, transition. Let's make it let's maybe make it black. The transparent has not been helping from what I can see. Let me fix that. Not sure if it'll update live. I'll call it test 2 to see if the chat fixes itself. Maybe I'll make it black and then I'll go over this. And there's probably a way to make a background screen on here too. Or is the streaming tools? Overlays. Edit. YouTube chat. Let's make it black instead of transparent. I wonder if I can add a bot in the chat as well. Chat bot. Should be able to make a bot in there. Okay, let's change the settings on here. Let's make it dark chat. And I wonder if I can change the color of the layer here. Oh, I can hide it. Settings, directional messages, position, size, style. Let's make this. If I increase the height, what happens? Oh, let me increase the opacity. Text settings. Enable custom font. How do I change the color of the text? Oh yeah, I can change it. Let's make it white. That's not font. Custom font familiarity. Text strode secondary text shadow. Black and white should be removed. Does that update my chat live? Oh yeah, it does update it. So if I write test on here again, what does it do now? Does it show up? No, it doesn't show up yet. It's not showing me the text yet. Interesting. Oh. It shows it to me on. What if I make it white? Checker chat? What does checker chat do? Save. Do. It's not any different. White chat. Custom. Background color. What is this background color? Oh, I can make it a different color on there as well. Okay. That's interesting. Stream Elements bot running. Okay, Stream Elements bot is there too now. Though I'm not sure if it's showing on the YouTube live properly.
Basically, I'm gonna do some.
Okay. Yeah, I do see that it's showing on there. Do I want to change the size of this chat though? Maybe let's make it transparent again. Settings, layers, settings, custom, white chat. Let's make it transparent again. And then we'll make the words that come on there white. Layers, text settings, font. Let's make it maybe blue or purple. Purple would be nice. Okay, let's look at the chat bot on here as well. Chat commands. No, we can add 8-bot. Only works with the 8-bot enable. Commands, emotes, custom commands. Okay. Maybe I can make a moderator on here as well. Counter, spam filters. There should be a way to manage the bot on here. Activity happens. Just messing around with the chat elements. The stream elements thing is new for me, so I don't know too much here. Enable announcements. Okay. There's a lot of different protections on here. Okay. Cool. Overlays. Is there anything else I can add in my overlay? Streams chat settings. Position. Text settings. And zoom out. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good enough. It should be fine. I think that's working for me. Why is it not showing up? Oh yeah, because it's opaque on there. Let's do another test. Call it test 3. I'm not sure if this will come up on the chat, but let's interact. Do I want to make it dark again? It was too big when I had it up. Okay, anyways, let's get to the video. The test can be done at some other time as well. Okay, so yeah, I was trying to build a financial model with cars, and I asked Gemini to do it. So total cost of ownership, depreciation, interest, maintenance, depreciation, new cars lose 15-20% in year one. Toyotas and Hondas might lose less. There's interest rates for 2026 as well. So, oh, the chat is showing up. That's sick. I can see it now. It's showing up on the side. Can I move it around as well? Maybe. Okay, looks like all the tests and everything are showing up as well. Maybe I should not make it violet color. Maybe I should make it white. I'm gonna change that real quick because I can't see on the indigo color anyways. Let us fix that. It's always good to have new features. Where's my dashboard? Maybe I should just keep this up on the side anyways. Mm-hmm. Streaming tools, overlays, edit. And then let's change the color to white. I think that color is much better than the other colors I have. Okay, your streams chat, text settings, pick a font. I don't think the font matters. I just need the white color on there. Yeah, or gray even. Yeah, it's probably better to use. Okay, it'll probably change the color whenever it's ready. Let's just write test 4 on there. Let's see if it pops up. Okay, so yeah, total cost of ownership, depreciation, entrance, and maintenance. New cars lose 15-20% in year one. Hondas and Toyotas typically lose more. Interest rates, 2026 rates. Yeah, I don't like the gray color either. Let's go back to white. We'll make it test 5. A lot of testing. Yeah, white is hopefully better and actually stands out. Let's call it test. Test 5. Okay. There isn't a car API that's free and comprehensive. There's alternatives. So Kaggle datasets. So you have to search for used car prediction or to get historical CSVs for a training model, or Soup or Selenium to scrape current listings from sites like AutoTrader or Cars.com. Yeah, it looks like the white text is much better. I can also open up a dockable window on the side as well, I think, to see anything in the chat there. So that's working. That's good. Okay. Manual inputs for 2026 models. Use the MSRP from manufacturer sites. Financial equation time is the most critical part of the model. Monthly payment equation calculates how much you pay based on the principal amount, monthly interest rate, and total number of months. Okay. Defining, calculating monthly payment. I think this was all just me brainstorming different code, and the actual code was down here. Yeah. So what do we have here? The car comparison tool by modifying the existing Selenium web scraper to fetch real-time price data for Honda CR-V, Pilot, Toyota RAV4, and Highlander from car listing sites. So yeah, I was trying to compare the different car data, enhancing the financial model to include leasing calculations, residual value, and inflation effects. So it's importing the matplotlib library with Seaborn. There's different plot data. So there's a comparison of car, monthly payment, and monthly lease payment. It's just using matplotlib to plot it, and then it's giving us a monthly amount with payment type compared to the car model. So what do we see? Monthly payment, monthly lease amount. Honda Civic, Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Highlander. It looks like Highlander has the highest amount. The monthly lease for the Honda CR-V is the least. And I'm not sure what data it imported. Maybe it got it from Kaggle. And I also know that there is a way to use Data Explorer and get data from Kaggle there. There's a lot of new changes in Google Colab that allows us to happen. So, okay, adapt web scraper for Honda. Also, just scrape the web for this information. Modifying existing Selenium web scraper to fetch real-time price data for Honda CR-V, Pilot, Toyota RAV4, and Highlander. Modified the existing Selenium web scraper. Okay, choose a reputable car listing website, AutoTrader, Cars.com to scrape data from all specified models. For each of the following car models, Honda CR-V, Honda Pilot, navigate to the results, identify the URL for each model's page. Open browser developer tools and examine the HTML structure of the car listings on the website. Okay. Identify the CSS selectors. Container element for each individual car listing. Update the scrape data function. I'm modifying this information to subtasks. Choose a reputable listing website. Each car model, scrape the data. So all of this was done by Gemini. So let's see what else is. It's making a lot of subtasks. It keeps saying the same thing over and over again. Extend the current financial analysis functions to include leasing calculations, considering residual value, money factor, and lease terms. It additionally incorporates a mechanism. Okay, so using pandas, there's a monthly payment divided by 12, which is how many months there are, annual rates, and if they'll steam returning payment. It's also calculating lease payment. I wonder what MSRP is. I think it's set it above residual value percent. There's appreciation value, finance portion. It's analyzing the car deal, name price, APR years, annual maintenance, annual fuel depreciation rate, inflation rate. So the monthly loan calculation, total cost over years, adjust maintenance and fuel, residual value, and true cost of ownership. This is the data it's giving back. Example usage for lease scenario. This is a Civic lease, 55% residual after 36 months, which is 3 years. These results. So it's saying 2026 Honda Civic has 668 payment, 2019 RAV4 has 467 payment. There's more out of pocket for the Honda Civic. Resale. The resale of the Honda Civic latest is close to the resale of the Toyota RAV4. There's more of a loss from the Civic. Okay, so it's doing a lease scenario and it's giving the payment, car durability, and reliability data. Research internal sources, consumer reports, JD Power reliability studies gather information on long-term durability and common issues for models like Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and selected SUVs. Okay. What else do we have here? Effectively integrate durability and reliability data. Need to perform some manual research from reputable sources. After researching, combine the functions in the Python dictionary. Identify reliable sources. Research specific models. Okay. Place order for durability. How is it doing durability? It's giving it a score. It's telling me the repair cost for an average. Oh, it even found common issues in each of the different cars. Interesting. Convert the dictionary to a pandas data frame. So I made it into a data frame. Okay, consoles. Okay, define compare car options. Should take a list of car configurations. Function will iterate through each car. Okay. There's different metrics. It's doing a lease scenario, has durability data. So this is all web scraped information. Annual maintenance, annual fee. I wonder if this could be graphed. Should graph this somewhere on this. Generate plots. Instructions were provided. Financial modeling and set next steps. Okay, let's add this to Gemini. Generate plots on the above. Yeah, generate plots for create visualizations for financial comparisons. Let's see what it does. You need to read the docs.streamelements.com as well. Let's check that out. Docs.streamelements.com. Okay, let's see what this does. Accept and run. Maybe I should. There's a way to run all. Oh yeah, run all. That'll probably work. Let's see if the bot thing actually works as well. I'm not sure if that even works properly. If I do this, does that work? It probably won't do anything. There'd be a way to add myself as a user, modules, timers. How do I add myself as a moderator? How to add as a moderator. The bot is in your chat. What does part mean? Oh, I can take out the bot, get it in and out. Okay. How to add